Future is uncertain. There's only one thing that is certain. Time is the most scarce resource in our life. Time is precious. Time is valuable. Time is scarce. We just think that we spend our time, right? But sometimes I just think to myself that we are not the ones spending time, but sometimes I just think that time is the one spending us, because we are the ones being depreciated with time. We are the ones being depreciated and will fade away, because life is short, right? And it's just that we just think too much about like the past and the future. We just think what happened yesterday and the day before, and we just think about the future. But I think there's no point. What's done is done. You do not know anything about future. What we got is the present moment. We do not have any control over the past. Future is uncertain. There's only one thing that is certain. Life is short. So make it worthwhile.